Hi friends, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to evaluate an essay sent by a student in response to your IELTS Task 2. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. I welcome all comments on my channel. Alright. So guys, what happens when we go through an IELTS exam, especially for the writing section, we come out with an expectation based on our self-analysis. But in case if we don't get near to that, we think for hours where exactly we went wrong. That is why I'm going to do word by word analysis of this essay. And my advice is always use a pencil and always have some extra time to review what you have written, so that some minor mistakes you can find out yourself and correct it before going out of the exam hall, because the more you put such efforts, better your score would be. All right. So first, let's go through the statement. Communication is less between family members compared to past times. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Okay, I don't know from where she has got this statement, but let's go through her response. It is considered that nowadays people are less involved in discussion with family members as compared to previous times. Now, guys, do you see errors? I do. Nowadays, then peoples. People itself is a plural word. Why do we have peoples here? Are less involved in discussions as compared to old times or old days. Nowadays, then old days would sound better. I partially agree with this statement, and in my opinion, there is no doubt that due to or there is no doubt she could stop the sentence and start a new one. She should learn how to do simple, complex, and compound sentences. Due to hectic schedules and pressure at workplaces, people get less time for their dear ones. But the fact that they are more in contact with the family due to the advancements of technology cannot ignore completely. My God, cannot be ignored completely. She should learn subject verb agreement. It's going nowhere. This essay will discuss both sides with relevant examples, at least one sentence in the paragraph. That is something okay. One of the reasons behind diminishing family communications is that people both men and women, she can quote this in commas, are struggling in their professional lives for their livelihood, as well as representing themselves as a part of high status group. Not good way of writing. They are burning candles at both ends to make their life more comfortable and convenient. For example, according to the recent surveys, people are preferring working long hours instead of spending time with their kith and kin. However, with the advancement of technology, she should have written, people have better options to communicate with their family members. Many applications over smartphones such as WhatsApp, Viber, and Skype. Is this how you write WhatsApp? I don't know. Etc. are making the home and workplace to interact with their dear ones at any time and cheaper cost. Nowadays everybody is having every phones in their pockets, which made the communication and relationships more understandable. My God. To illustrate, in previous times, wives contact her husband seldom on a daily basis. Now, in previous times, in old times, she could have written, and you are talking about something past. Make sure your tense is consistent. Wives used to contact, and wives her husbands. See, subject and verb, wives her. So, wives their husbands. I mean, time and tense she has just messed up everywhere. Husband seldom on a daily basis, but according to recent studies, wives generally call their husbands once in an hour for daily routine works. The people are more contact with each other. My God. They are residing in other countries. My god, to encapsulate, although in this competitive era people do not have enough time to spend time together with their family members due to there's no need of comma here, due to the latest gadgets in our pockets, the communication is much easier and effective. So basically she was able to communicate her points. She was able to make a conclusion out of it, no doubt, but she has completely messed up in grammar, structure, flow, and representation. No doubt about that. So based on my experience, it could fetch anywhere between 5 to 5.5. But of course, I do not have any tool where I can tell you exactly how much this essay is gonna earn in your examination. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes to your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you, guys.